Today I am showing you how can you customize your ribbon. Like if there is a home tab, so you can add something new in this ribbon. How can you do that? First, you have to go to the file, then go to the options, then go to the customize ribbon. Click on it. Then here is this is the main tab. So what I want to do? Like I want to take calculator now. Calculate now. So click on add to create group. Okay. First, what you have to do? You have to create new group. Then click calculator now. Then add. Then I want to add this copy. You can add this. I want to add this cut. I want to add. Then you can rename this like new group. Simple tools. So I'm giving this name that is tools. After this, I am now click OK button. OK. Now you have to find out. See, this is the tools button. There is a copy, cut, and calculate now. See, you can do that easily. Customize your ribbon from this. Thank you so much.